In this video, I'll show you how to update your Finalmouse. So let's get to it. So in this video, I'll show you the things that you need to update your Finalmouse. So one, you do need your Finalmouse. Two, you need additional mouse just to move around because this will be updating itself. And three, you need to be logged into Discord. Okay, so now we have that all settled. This is what you need to do. So first off and foremost, you need to hop into the Discord. So this is the Discord for the Finalmouse right here. As you can see, if you scroll down from firmware update, you should be able to see this link below. Once you click this link below, another one will pop up and you should be able to download said file. It should be like this right here. Once you download the firmware update, once you double click on it, make sure you hit extract all. So you can select it if you want, then extract all. Be sure to remember where you put it. Click the folder, boom, extract. Okay, cool, whatever. Locate to the folder that you actually put it in or the place that you placed it in. And then it should be right here. This is where I placed it at. And you double click on this, on the file itself for the application. It'll tell you the firmware update and you just hit download and install. And then you would click this. So to do this, you need to hold the middle mouse button, which is here, which is your DPI button right here. And then your mouse scroll wheel at the same time. So you should be able to see it as white or blue. I think my hand is like covering it. To make it easier as a firm grip, try the claw method. So this is what I'm doing. I have the small mouse, so it's easier for me to grip. So I click and hold, boom. So I hold that at the same time. And you should be able to see it turn white or blue on how it is signified or white and blue, right? Keep holding it. Get the USB connector, which is the mouse right here. And you should be able to connect it from here. So you connect it. Make sure this little dot right here, that right there is connected upwards, because I know I get confused a lot of times. Connect it. Boom. You should hear a mouse. You should hear a mouse, and then you should see it on the screen. Your firmware is being updated. Keep holding for your instances, and then boom, you should be done. And that's it. Now you can unplug your mouse and you'd be ready to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you had a great time. So yeah, guys, I hope this introduction or this tutorial was very easy for you to follow along in a video format versus reading all through that text. I know I was confused at first, but yeah. So to update your Finalmouse, follow the steps in this video and let me know if you're still having trouble. Please reach out, comment down below on how was your experiences, and yeah, hope you guys see you next time. Peace.
Inside my mind, wishing we could start over.